Hi friends, welcome to Gold UPSC. In this video, we will see the last chapter of the Geography ncert 6th class. That is the India climate, vegetation and wildlife. Here first we will see about the climate and then vegetation and then wildlife in India. So if you come to the point of climate, there are the two terminology in the Indian climatology, that is the weather and climate. Weather means day to day and time to time changes in the atmosphere. If in any area there will be any changes in time to time or day to day in the atmosphere, that will called as weather. And then climate is a long term, which is the average weather conditions measured over many years. Here climate is a long term concept and weather is a present concept. Climate is measured by taking the average of many years, approximately over 30 or 50 years. And then if seasons in India, we have 4 seasons in India. That is cold weather season, that is winter, from December to February. Here sun rays do not fall directly on the northern hemisphere. That is, there will be a slanting of sun rays in the northern hemisphere in the winter season. And then hot weather season. Hot weather season means summer. Summer is from the March to May. Here sun rays more or less directly fall on the northern hemisphere. So India is present on the northern hemisphere, mainly Tropic of Cancer region. So we experience summer in March to May. Next note, here in this season we will experience hot and dry winds, which is called as Lu, which are blow from during the day. And then next we have southwest monsoon season, that is rainy season, from June to September. In this season we will see the onset of monsoons from the Arabian Sea and flow throughout the country. Here wind blows from northern Arabian Sea to the Bay of Bengal towards the land. Wind blows from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal both, but towards the land. Because why winds blows from Arabian Sea? Because of indifferences of temperature. Actually, a wind blows from the high pressure to low pressure. If you have a high pressure, then the temperature is low. Here also in the water, that is in the Arabian Sea or Bay of Bengal, we have a high pressure, and on the land we have a low pressure. Hence in this season we will experience rains or onset of monsoons because of indifferences of pressure, which are caused due to the high temperature or temperature differences. Next, these winds which are blow from the seas have the moisture, and then which occur rain, which leads to the occur of rain by striking the mountains. If you see India map, we have Western Ghats in the Kerala. There was the first region. Kerala is the first region which experienced the monsoon. There, because of we have the Western Ghats there, hence they experience the first monsoons. And then season of retreating monsoon, which is also called as autumn. Autumn is from the October to November. Here the winds which blow from the sea to the land are come back from the land to sea, mainly to the Bay of Bengal. It is also called as retreating monsoons. In this season, Tamil Nadu and AP experiences the rainfall. And then climate of India. If you see the climate of India, India has a monsoon type of climate. Which monsoon? The word is taken from the Arabic masumi, which means season. Here agriculture is depend on rains. In India, agriculture depends on rains. Due to the India location in the tropical region, most of the rain is brought by the monsoon winds only. And then climate of India is determined by the factors of location, altitude, distance from the sea, and the relief. Location means here where you located, whether in the high regions or low regions, or maybe in the middle of the area without having any water boundaries. That all determine the climate of India. Next, here note Mysindram in Meghalaya receives highest rainfall in the world. And then we come to the natural vegetation. Here natural vegetation means grasses, shrubs, trees which grow on their own habitat without any interference from the human beings. Then it is called as natural vegetation. Natural vegetation depends upon the climatic conditions, mainly rainfall. Natural vegetation has been destroyed to a large extent. Now, here in this point, we see the natural vegetation has been destroying day by day due to the cutting of trees by the human beings for their purpose. Here, natural vegetation includes forests and then scrubs, grasses, trees, all are included. So here we come to the point of uses of forest. Forest gives the oxygen release and carbon dioxide absorbs, which leads to decrease in the global warming and then control of soil erosion. Because of the because of the plants retain the moisture in the soil, which leads to the moisture land or fertile land. Then there must be a stop of soil erosion. And then forest or provides timber, wood for the human purpose. And then forest are the natural habitat for the wildlife. Next, wildlife means undomesticated animals. The animals which are undomesticated, they are called as wildlife animals. Forests are the home for the wildlife animals. Example, tiger. Tiger is the national animal of India, which are located in the various parts of India. And Asiatic lions, which are present in the Gir forest of Gujarat. And then elephants, one-horned rhinoceros, which are present in the Assam forest. Elephants mainly present in the Karnataka or Kerala regions also. And then camels and wild asses, which are present in the Great Indian Desert. and then also in the area of Ran of Kutch. Next, wild goats, snow, leopards, bears, etc., which are all present in the Himalayan regions. Next, birds. Birds in India, there were also a bird's life also, which are rich in nature. Peacock is the national bird. There are several bird sanctuaries in India, which are created for the bird's life. There are also several hundred of species of snakes also found in India, which are examples cobra, carrots. Due to the cutting of forest and hunting, there were decrease in the birds' life. This is all about this chapter. With this, I conclude the chapter. Thank you for watching. And also, we completed the 6th class NCRT except one chapter, that is the 4th chapter, maps. This is not useful for the UPSC preparation. For that, I will stop the video. Thank you.